over there.
Listen, as far as trailers go,
I'm not the man I used to be.
Excited.
I'm better.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so this was a big deal last night. Nicole Gurdon from News went down to the premiere. So is that, you know, we had people on the red carpet for this.
Yeah.
Oh, we're 100% invested. Tell us what Blackbird is about.
Okay, so Michael Flatley plays Victor Blackley. There you go. There's your first right there. You got that, yeah. So he is a former MI5 agent who led this unit called the Chieftains. Not the band. They're called the Chieftains. Was this unit? His wife is murdered in very, very violent circumstances, and he becomes so wounded that he retires from MI5, goes to the Caribbean, opens up this hotel and casino, and it's basically being used by, you know, various shady people to conduct kind of business underneath the table. Eric Roberts is this arms dealer who comes to the casino to do a deal, and he brings with him Nicole Evans, who was an old flame of Michael Flatley. If this sounds like kind of like Casablanca, that's exactly what it is. This is just like
I think it looks a bit like the kind of like James Bond whenever in Casino Royale, doesn't it, when he goes off to the kind of the beachy resort
Caribbean.
area?
I'm glad you
Barbados.
said, yeah, I'm glad you said Casino Royale, because this film is like somebody watched Casino Royale on YouTube clips and was like, I'm going to remake that. And like, he's got like 5 minutes of it. He's got like 5-minute blocks of the film. Or he's seen like a Wikipedia entry of Casablanca. Was like, yeah, I'm going to take that plot and I'm going to use that, and hasn't seen any of it. Now, this is the other part of this. Michael Flatley actually said, I don't watch a whole lot of films. And boy, does it show.
Oh.
Because, you know, the cameras, I mean, the only thing I can say about this is that the cameras were all facing the right way and the sound was on. You know, and like, I'm glad that Patrick Bergin and, you know, Ian Beattie and Nicole Evans and all these actors, I'm glad that they all got paid. I'm glad that everyone made money out of it.
So he wrote it and directed it. So where did it go? So is the writing like
everything? Everything. It's all terrible. It's all awful. I can't believe it.
Now,
I can't believe it. Actually.
So you
stop laughing over there. It's really that bad.
It's really that bad?
Oh, it's so bad. Like, I'll put it this way. No. Hold on. Right. At the press screening, people were laughing.
Oh, no.
And I was laughing, but people were laughing, and it was packed as well. Like, this was like there was a lot of people came. Like, everyone came out of the woodwork for this press screening, and people were laughing.
But is it going to get people to go to the cinema? Like, do we want to see this because it might have cult status?
Oh, 100%. That's exactly what this is going to have.
Okay.
I mean, it's not going to win. By the way, how did he win Best Actor at the Monaco Streaming Film Festival? Was he up against a cardboard box? Like, what was going on there? Like, that's the thing that I'm querying. Like, who was he up against? How did he get Best Actor?
Why are you making me feel bad for multi-millionaire Michael Flatley? How are you doing this?
I feel a bit bad for him.
Okay, but like, right, look, he's a very, very rich man, and he's like got 5 houses, and you know, like rich people go to space, or they fund far-right political campaigns, or they're doing terrible things. At least all he's doing is just making a terrible film that we can all
We had Patrick Bergin on yesterday, and he was so excited about it.
God help him, like, I mean...
Okay.
I mean, Sleeping with the Enemy was a long time ago.
What are you giving Blackbird?
Uno.
1 out of 5.
It's terrible.
To be fair, listen...
Will we all go see it?
Oh, yeah. I mean, I think people will go see it just out of how terrible is it.
So 1 meant... So you get a 1 basically for facing the cameras in the right direction.
They were all facing the right way and the sound was turned on. And there was lighting as well. That was another part of it.
Okay, we're going to move on now.